So I've had a few people ask me about these questions, so I'm going to try to work through them for you, and hopefully this will help. So on the natural log questions, they are treated the same as having the same base. Like two natural logs would have the same base. They'd have a base of e. So on number 17, if I were to combine them, then since it's subtraction, then I would divide. So I would have natural log of e squared x divided by ex. And from there, I want to simplify. So the x's will cancel, and then e squared and e will reduce to just e on top. So I'm left with ln of e. And from there, then I can simplify that. I know that the ln of e is just 1, because it would be like saying log base e of e. And when the base and the number are the same, then they simplify to be 1. If I look at number 18, they are separated by a plus sign. So I'm going to multiply. So this would leave me with ln e to the 4th times 2 divided by 2. From there, I want to simplify, so the 2's will cancel, and then I'm left with natural log of e to the 4th. And by the properties of logs, I know if I have an exponent, then that exponent is able to jump out front, which would leave me with 4 natural log of e. And then from the last example, we did just decide that natural log of e is just 1. So then my answer would be 4 times 1, which is just 4. Do the same kind of thing on number 19. So this combines to be natural log e to the 5th times 2 over 2 times e. I reduce, 2's cancel. E to the 5th over e becomes e to the 4th. And from there, I'm left with the same kind of answer. So natural log e to the 4th, the 4 jumps out front. This becomes 1. So my answer is 4. On number 20, I'm looking at it. I only have 1 log. And I also have this exponent. So the first thing I want to do is move that exponent out front. And I'm going to rewrite this as 5 times log base 12 of 144. Now I've just been looking over some people's answers, and I'm seeing like that some people are creating or saying that log base 12 of 144 is 12. And that's not true, because it's 12 times 12 is 144. I have to think, what power do I raise 12 to get to 144? And the answer is 2, because 12 squared is 144. So this simplifies to be 2. Then I would have 5 times 2, which would give me an answer of 10. And then number 21, how do I get from 300 to 1 over 300? Would just be the negative 1 power. I'm not raising it to anything, but I am flipping it. So I hope that this helped.